Welcome to The Power of Faith, a Biblical Perspective. In this video, we'll explore how a passage from the Holy Bible can inspire and motivate us to strengthen our faith. We'll discuss how faith can help us overcome challenges, find purpose, and experience peace. 1. Faith overcomes challenges. Faith is like a mountain that we can climb, step by step. When we face challenges in life, faith can help us overcome them and find a way forward. Faith can also inspire us to help others. When we reach out to those in need, we show our faith in action and make a positive impact on the world around us. 2. Faith finds purpose. Faith can help us find our purpose in life. When we have faith, we believe that there is a reason for our existence, and that we have a role to play in the world. One way to find purpose is through service. When we volunteer our time and talents to help others, we not only make a difference in their lives, but we also fulfill our own sense of purpose. 3. The passage. Our passage for today comes from Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1, which reads, "Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see." This powerful statement reminds us that faith gives us the confidence to face the unknown and to trust in God's plan for our lives. When we have faith, we can face the challenges of life with courage and determination. We can find purpose and meaning in our lives, and we can experience a sense of peace that comes from trusting in God's love and guidance. 4. Applying the passage. So how can we apply this passage to our daily lives? One way is to pray and meditate on God's Word. When we spend time in prayer and reflection, we can deepen our faith and draw closer to God. Another way to strengthen our faith is by attending church and participating in a community of believers. When we gather with others who share our faith, we can support each other and grow in our spiritual journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey of inspiration and motivation through God's Word. We hope you've been inspired to strengthen your faith and to trust in God's plan for your life. Remember, faith is the foundation of a meaningful and fulfilling life. So go out there and face the challenges of life with confidence and courage. Until next time, stay motivated and keep achieving success through the power of God's Word.